Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF document to editable Word document without any third-party apps or softwares. This method is working on all types of devices and platforms. As you look, I have sample PDF file here. This file is a real PDF document and have 5 pages. Now, go to your browser and search for this, or you can get full link in description. Then, this page is loaded. Now, tap on Select a file and add your PDF file. Just wait a little. And after this, tap on Download. If you're a computer user, open downloaded file using a Word software. Or, if you're iPhone or Android user, open this file using WPS Office application. As you look, PDF document is successfully converted and it's fully editable. So that's for today. If you found this video interesting, then please leave it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.